Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In honor of N7 Day, I will be showing you guys how to do the Renegade makeup from Mass Effect. So I started off with just a nude colored lip liner and just to sketch out all the little scars on the face and just map it out. So I have a plan of attack, so to speak. Make sure to have your reference images up whenever you're looking at this. I had mine off to the side. I don't know if this is true for everybody, but I find that the scars look best whenever you use more of a nude, like, lip color. So whatever your lip color is, the scars look pretty good if you use that. I'm not sure if that's universal or not, but it works for me. I will say doing this makeup hurt my eyes a lot because I had to keep moving them to the side so far. It gave me a good old headache. And then I am just going to go in with this red shade right here and make it more vibrant. If it was just scars, I would leave it more with that pinky tone, but for the game, it is very red and very prominent, so I went ahead and just enhanced it with the red color. And then I'm taking a little highlight color, lighter than my skin tone, and just going on top and around pretty much all of the scar, just to make it pop a little bit more. And then I'm taking a darker shade to just add a shadow on the outside of the highlight, just a little bit, and then blend it out so it gives it the dimension that we want. And then my camera died, but that's basically it. Here are some ending pictures so that you can see the end result. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alexa Rose Cosplay. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if that tickles your fancy.